Right, before I put the final cramps on, that's my first real look at the true face. This was the true face. And obviously I knew I could only work on one face at a time. And once I flipped it over, really I was carving in to the rear face. So next time, I have to think in reverse. I better flip her, clean the back up first, make her flat, and then flip it over so I can work on the face and put the curve in or the wave in the face of the flag. But I know that there's a couple of guys who have picked it up who are sharper than your kitchen knives, but I've got the effect I want. I've still got traditional Union Jack this side, and I've got the artwork of the wave on the other side. I wanted it to look as if it was all components put together, and I think I've achieved that as well. You know, it's not going to be your average flag you'll see anywhere. It's a one-off. Simple as that. Unless I make another one, then there'll be two. But I'm going to do Old Glory next. I love the American flag. I love what America stands for. And be a challenge. It's a nice flag to make. There's a lot of nice colours in it, detail, the stars. So yeah, I'll make one of them next. But it's getting there, isn't it? It's getting there. I'll probably give that a little touch up later, but I'll lay her back down now, got all the glue off, and put some more cramps on just to make sure all the face is pulled together. I haven't weighed it yet to see what it bloody weighs, but there's a few kilos in there. I put lay that across there so I can try and protect my face. Oops. Let me get me bearers. One now. Nice size. Another one there. So what do I put a bearer just to stop any bruising.